RPMs are.
Yeah.
I need to do that. I'm gonna burn my dumb clutch. He's a foot in, he's a foot in, he's a foot in all the way around. Yeah, I thought you were supposed to go all the way to the outside line and then not dip it until you got here in the middle. One-handed and scraping. Let me have a drink while I'm doing this. Now, if he goes to idle at any second, it's going to drop.